Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Today we are working on a Al-572. Lots of amps here, still waiting on parts for those two. Got another one over there. So, this one needs tubes. Need to ground the grids. Check the air variable capacitors, they're okay. I'm going to take the grid overload board out. Not needed in this amp, and always becomes a nuisance usually. Okay, so the output connector has like no grip whatsoever. See this? In, out, in, out. This one has just a teeny bit. So I'll replace both of those connectors. Remove the metal oxide varistors. I'll add gas discharge tubes. The wires frayed for the strap going from the parasitic board to the anode cap, so I'll replace those. Clean the contacts on the relays, clean the contacts on the band switch, the output network and input network, and do everything else I normally do. So stay tuned. See you guys soon. I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-572. Got a brand new set of Pentalabs 572b tubes. Awesome company, great customer service. So I wanted to point one thing out before I forget. Had the wrong hardware holding the parasitic board down. Had a washer in between, supposed to have a split washer, and had a screw at the head like this, which has sharp edges. So I put the proper screw in, put a split washer underneath, replaced all of the straps, grounded the grids. I'll show that in a second. Brand new SO239 connectors. Cleaned the contacts on the relay over here and relay over there. Did the 10 meter modification. Cleaned the output rotary switch, input rotary switch, deoxit gold. Took that board out. And compressed the socket clips. So you always go directly through the board with the solid material for grounding the grid. The solid copper wire. Solder on this side and the opposite side, so really good ground connection. Okay, so I'll flip it on its side and I'll be right back. You can see grids are grounded really well. Added the gas discharge tubes, one here, one there, one there where they're grounded. Gas discharge tube, one per side of the filament. And I want to point one other thing out before I forget. The output conductor going to the output connector was like barely soldered on. It was not through the hole of the actual SO239. It had just it was barely soldered, so they had to be replaced anyway. So they've been replaced. That problem has been taken care of. Here's the grid overload board, the old SO239s, the grid loading resistors, the metal oxide varistors. Also removed those, and the 0.01 cap. So that's about it. So I'll be back on this when I have time, the multi-band amp. So thank you for watching. The website is AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. One last thing before I forget. I don't know where the fourth one went. It's around here somewhere, but they're the old straps. Oh, here it is. I like to show everything when I can, so here you go. 4 straps. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Send me through.